In this tutorial, you will learn how to create big bouncy waves using 2 different size tongs for a maximum impact with only 10 sections. We start in the fringe zone. Using the smallest tong, I have sprayed the section with a light hairspray. My body position stands in front of my client, directing my section straight forward over the face shape. Placing my tong horizontal to my section, I wrap the fringe underneath my tong so the bend in the curl is directed back towards the face. I release the hair once it feels almost too hot to touch. I'm placing a small clip to set the fringe to accentuate the length towards her face shape, so when I brush it back out, it creates a little bit more edge and drama. We now tong the front side zones using my large GHD curve tong. Placing my tong facing towards the face with my clamp underneath, I place the hair inside my tong. I roll the tong back up the section to place my first wave. I hold this section up to 30 seconds. I continue by rotating my tong 360 degrees. We now stretch the section out and roll our section back up to place the second wave. This is the method we use to create a twisty curve wave. We continue this until we run out of hair in each tonged section. To complete the top zone, I use my small tong and repeat the same process as our first section. Combining different size and shaped tong waves will create more dimension and fun in the end result. I continue to use clips to set the hair into shape. We are getting closer to our goal of 100k subscribers. And 90% of you who watch my channel aren't even subscribed yet. Lend us a hand and subscribe today. We now repeat the same process on the opposite side, placing our tong into the opposite hand. We need to change our body position. You will notice that we have taken large sections. This will dramatically increase your speed. If your client's requesting a tonged out, big bouncy look after a haircut, this is the perfect go-to when trying to accommodate a haircut and a big bouncy look all in one appointment time. The most important thing to consider is how long you heat the hair up for. The longer you heat the hair, and make sure it's thoroughly even throughout your section, and the cooling phase will ensure the best curly and long-lasting curly results. Be sure to use a thermal protectant to protect the hair. To complete the back zone, I am only using the large tong. This will help to accentuate the face frame's smaller tong waves. We repeat the same method, swapping hands with every new section. This will change the wave's direction in each section, creating a more elevated result. If you have learnt something new, do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe icons. And be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss any new future tutorials. To dress and style my waves, I direct my model to face towards the ceiling. Using my wide tooth comb, I gently brush out her waves. Using a dry texture spray, or dry shampoo to add texture and body into the hairstyle. This is my It Girl Epic Waves super quick blowout for the salon floor. If you like this tutorial, be sure to watch this one next. Learn how to master a big bouncy 90s blow dry. If you value my work, please hit the like and subscribe icons. This blowout works best with face framing layers to help define the look and to create more movement. And if you love this tutorial, you should watch this one next.